Greetings, fellow adventurers. Welcome back to the Daily RV Life channel. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of solar systems and discuss their efficiency in enhancing your everyday RV experience. As we all know, living in an RV means embracing a mobile lifestyle where we rely on various resources for our everyday needs. One crucial aspect of RVing is having a reliable power source, and this is where solar systems come into play. So, why choose solar power for your RV? Let's talk about the efficiency it offers. Solar panels harness the sun's energy and convert it into usable electricity, providing a continuous and sustainable power supply for your adventures. One of the primary advantages of solar systems is their flexibility. You can mount the panels on the roof of your RV, allowing for maximum exposure to sunlight. This arrangement ensures an optimized energy generation, even while you're on the move. Moreover, solar systems require minimal maintenance. Once installed, they silently and efficiently work in the background, charging your RV batteries throughout the day. This means you can enjoy the freedom of off-grid camping without worrying about running out of power. Additionally, using solar power in your RV is not only cost-effective but also eco-friendly. By reducing your dependence on traditional power sources, you can minimize your carbon footprint and contribute to a cleaner environment. It's crucial to consider the energy consumption in your RV when installing a solar system. Assess your power needs, such as lighting, appliances, and electronics, to determine the appropriate panel size and battery capacity for your setup. Remember, the more energy efficient your RV is, the more you can maximize the benefits of solar power. To ensure optimal efficiency, maintenance and monitoring are essential. Regularly clean the solar panels to remove any dirt or debris that could hinder their performance. Monitor your battery levels and usage to make any necessary adjustments to your power consumption habits. In conclusion, incorporating a solar system into your RV life can significantly enhance your overall experience. Not only does it provide a reliable and sustainable power source, but it also offers flexibility, cost-effectiveness, and eco-friendliness. So, fellow adventurers, seize the power of the sun and unlock the full potential of your RV lifestyle. That's it for today's video on the Daily RV Life channel. We hope you found this article informative and useful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Stay tuned for our next adventure, and as always, happy RVing.